In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect a domain with Namecheap hosting. Whether you're just starting out with your first website or you're a seasoned pro looking to transfer a domain, this step-by-step guide will walk you through the entire process with clarity and ease. First, let's head over to Namecheap's website. This is your go-to source for all domain-related activities, so if you don't already have an account, you'll need to sign up. On Namecheap's homepage, look for the dashboard link. It's your central hub where you can manage all your domain and hosting details. Click on it and you'll be prompted for your account details. If you haven't set up an account yet, don't worry, we'll guide you through the sign up process next. Now click on sign up. This is where you'll create your account with Namecheap. You'll need to provide some essential details, starting with your username. Make sure it's unique and memorable as you'll use this to log in. Next, type in your password. Choose a strong password to ensure your account security. It's important to remember these details, so perhaps jot them down or use a reliable password manager. After setting your login details, you'll move on to entering your personal information. Begin with your first name and last name. Accuracy here can be crucial, especially when it comes to domain ownership verification later on. Then, type in your email address. This is important because Namecheap will use this email for all communication, from billing to important account notices. Double check for any typos to avoid any future issues. Once you've filled in your personal details, click on Create Account and Continue. This action might trigger a verification step where you'll need to confirm your information again. Just double check everything to ensure it's correct. In the next step, there's usually a CAPTCHA security check. Just click I'm not a robot and then hit Create Account and Continue. It's a quick step, but a vital one for keeping bots at bay. Now that your account is all set, let's connect your domain. On the Namecheap dashboard, click on Domain List on the left-hand side. It's time to get your domain working for you. Scroll down to your desired domain where you'll find an option for nameservers. This is where the magic happens. You have a few choices here. If you're using Namecheap hosting, make sure to select their nameservers. Simply choose from the list provided and you're good to go. If you have different hosting but still want to manage your domain via Namecheap, you can enter custom nameservers here. Always double check this information as nameserver errors can disrupt your website's connection. And that's it, you've successfully connected your domain with Namecheap hosting. Be sure to give the DNS settings some time to propagate, usually around 24 to 48 hours before everything's fully operational. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has made linking your domain with Namecheap hosting smooth and straightforward.